What's up, y'all? We're back at it, like a crack addict, with another video. Alright, this one's for my boys out there, alright? My men. Because I know y'all females ain't got as big as a problem. I know y'all, some of y'all out here still got this problem, but I know y'all ain't got as big as a problem as my boys, alright? What is this video about? If you probably already know because you read the title, but this video is about porn. Probably the worst thing that can affect your root chakra, okay? It probably goes like drugs, porn, and food. Right? I will talk about the benefits that I've gained from not watching that bullshit and how I stopped watching porn. Now, I never really liked it. Be real. So I never really liked it. Always thought it was a little weird that you're watching two people have sex. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe it was a little easier for me to quit than others. But yeah, I thought that shit was weird. Now in society and shit, they're gonna tell you, oh, it's okay to jerk off, it's okay to watch porn, it's okay to masturbate. Okay, if you think it's okay, and if you think it's not a problem, then hey, click off this video. You know, leave a like, subscribe, all that. But click off this video, man. You do you. I don't. Hey, I'm not trying to tell y'all how to live y'all lives. If you believe it's not a problem, you do you. But personally, I think we all know it's a problem. I think we all know that if you are addicted to watching porn, then it's a problem that you gotta fix, right? How to quit watching porn? Alright, one of the main things you need to do is you need to detox yourself from the dopamine. The main reason why you keep watching porn, the main reason why you keep going back to it is because dopamine is released. That's why when you watch a video that you really fuck with, you always try to find that same video. Why you always trying to find the same video if it's basically the same fucking thing, right? It's because that dopamine that's been released. That's why when you watch that's why with a lot of people, they start watching porn once a week, right? And then they watch it twice a week. And then they watch it 3 times a week. And then they watch it 4 times a week. And then eventually, your dopamine levels, to get to that high that you originally got, you need to watch it like motherfucking 7 times a week, right? That's because the dopamine levels, once you watch too much porn, the dopamine levels is way too high. Receptors in the brain. I don't know the right terminology, but I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to do activities that are giving you less dopamine. So let me name a few. Reading, meditation, getting out of nature. Okay? Getting out of nature, meditation, and reading, that shit helps the fuck out of me because those are activities that you're getting dopamine from those activities, but it's not as much dopamine as motherfucking, you know, jerking off and all that shit. And what is dopamine? Dopamine is just a chemical that is released in your brain when you do something that you really like doing. Okay, it's your brain. It's a reward system that your brain is giving towards you. Your brain is rewarding you for doing things that you like. So I like skateboarding, and a shot of dopamine is released to my head when I'm skateboarding, and that's what makes me love skateboarding, because you know it's actually the dopamine. You know, I could say, oh, it makes you feel free and all that shit. I mean, that is true, but it's the dopamine, right? That's the reason why we like a lot of things. That's the reason why we fall in love. That's the reason why a lot of shit, right? But we ain't gonna get into that. Basically, what you need to do if you want to stop watching that bullshit, you gotta detox yourself from dopamine, right? And another tip is, you gotta stop getting on Instagram, bro. You gotta slow that Instagram shit down, right? Because on Instagram, it's a lot of porn, basically softcore porn. Softcore porn leads to hardcore porn. That's just how it is, man. So there's ass, there's titties, there's fitness models everywhere. There's motherfucking bitches who look like Kardashians and shit. Like, you gotta stop that shit. You either gotta unfollow all of them, or actually just don't get on Instagram at all. Get on Instagram like Set a timer on your phone. I know iPhones got this. I don't know about other phones. Set up a timer on your phone where you look at Instagram for like 30 minutes a day. Unfollow all the motherfuckers and set a timer on your phone when you look at Instagram for like 30 minutes a day. That will help you detox yourself, okay? You need to cleanse your body from all that shit. Meditation is like a buffer for the brain, all right? It's like if life is a video game and you constantly playing, you're constantly, like when you play a video game, bro, and you're playing for like 4 or 5 hours, that shit gets dead, right? You don't want to play that shit, even if it's the best motherfucking video game ever. You don't want to play that shit for like 4 or 5 hours, so you don't get you're gonna get dead, bro. Like you're gonna get bored as fuck easily, right? That's exactly how life is, bro. We constantly playing this game, constantly, and then niggas wonder why they're depressed. Niggas wonder why they got symptoms from this. It's because you have to put meditation into your daily practice. You gotta make meditation a daily practice, because meditation is that pause button on the video game. You get what I'm saying? It's like a buffer. It's a buffer between you and all the bullshit. So you gotta put that pause button. So meditation helps a lot. It clears out your subconscious mind, right? Because when you meditate, I'm gonna make another video about meditation. So we got, don't not think of anything, let the thoughts flow and let them go away naturally. So that's how you clear out your subconscious mind, because if you are jerking off, if you're watching porn, it becomes a ritual at this point, and you're gonna need to stop that ritual, okay? There's a lot of benefits when you stop watching porn, okay? One of the benefits is there's no shame. You know, you don't feel shameful. You're not doing that ritualistic activity where you're feeling shame, okay? Your energies, your chakras, they're better, okay? You're starting to ascend out of that root chakra. There's probably a lot more work that need to be done for you to truly ascend out of the root chakra. You know what I'm saying? Get some crystals if you really need to. But a lot more work that probably needs to be done, but at the same time, you are like starting to detox yourself from earthly pleasures, because it's really just pleasure what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? So you're starting to detox yourself from earthly pleasures, and you're starting to ascend out of that root chakra. That's one of the most important things you need to do, is to ascend out of your root chakra. I'm gonna be real with y'all, because I'm always trying to be real on this channel, bro. This is gonna be a hard battle. Alright, you're listening? This is gonna be a hard battle. This is gonna be something you are going to need a certain amount of willpower for. Like, it's gonna be a hard battle, bro. Even if you stop watching porn for a long amount of time, there's gonna be moments where you're still gonna wanna watch it, bro. That's just how it is. It's always gonna be something that, you know, looks over your shoulders. But as time progresses, as you take more time to not watch it, bro, your willpower will progress, and eventually, bro, one day you're just gonna be like, I don't even know why I watched it in the first place, right? It's not gonna be an easy battle, but it's gonna be a very beneficial one, okay? And that's why I'll end it here. See y'all later. I'll see y'all in the next one. Free consultations on Instagram. Like, subscribe, all of that if you enjoy this type of content. If you don't enjoy it, then don't do any of that shit, alright? But I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.